Hello everyone, my name is Mike from Humane Iguana Control, and today we're in Coconut Grove. So throughout Coconut Grove, we have a lot of residents and associations and property managers that constantly call us due to all the iguana problems they have throughout their properties. One main problem they have is finding iguana poop throughout their properties. So this property in particular has a ton of iguana poop on top of the roofs due to iguanas sunbathing on top. So what iguanas will do is they'll find bushes and trees and palm trees to climb on the roof to sunbathe, but while they're up there, they'll also be defecating. This becomes a major problem because iguanas can end up in your toilets, in your kitchen, even in your fireplace. We have a video on that on our YouTube channel of a job we just did that we had that exact occasion. So being right by a Biscayne Bay, all these iguanas will be by the seawalls throughout the properties, and they'll start coming inland to all these properties. So when they arrive to a certain property and they find food sources or water source, they'll begin to thrive on these properties. This is when they start digging burrows and laying their eggs. And when female lay their eggs, they can lay up to 70 eggs at one time. So when these baby iguanas come out of the ground, they disperse and they start making an infestation throughout properties. So in this video, we're going to show you how we remove the iguana poop from the roof and what you can do to avoid these situations from happening in the near future. As you can see, we have one of our guys up there on top of the roof. What he's doing is he's blowing all the feces from the roof down below. So we laid a plastic tarp to catch all the feces to not make a mess. So as we go to the backyard, we're going to show you some palm trees that we wrapped up with our clear wrap. So what this does is once you wrap up these trees with a clear wrap, it deters iguanas from climbing up on top of the roof. We also asked the client to have some of these trees back here trimmed back so it can help avoid the iguanas from getting on the roof and have the same issue of having iguana poop on top of the roof. Throughout this area, we asked our client to try and cut some trees back to help stop iguanas from climbing from their neighbors' properties. This helps tremendously. So throughout the pool area, some clients might think that installing these protective nets will stop iguanas, which actually helps them climb into the pool area. And that's how you find the iguana poop around your perimeter of your pool. We always recommend to just have iguanas removed to have iguanas stop pooping in the pool and the surrounding of the pool. On these bushes over here in the corner, we had told them to cut these trees back as well because the iguanas were using that tree to climb on top of this gazebo. So once they cut these trees back, it helped stop the iguanas from getting on the roof as well. Since then, they really haven't had any more iguana poop, and they've had results. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up this job here in Coconut Grove. If you have a property and you're struggling to get iguanas off, or they're eating all your plants throughout your property, or you need them off your roof, contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you out with this situation.